If you look at the top 100 yachts, the biggest yachts ever sold and built, 60% of those are actually sold into the GCC. Whether it is Abu Dhabi, Dubai, UAE, or whether it is Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, and so on. So the market in itself for the mega yachts is huge.
Having the major brands here at the Dubai Boat Show is fantastic, of course, each year again, especially with two very big super yachts attending this year. Catuel from Lurser, Nirvana from Oceanco in cooperation with Edmiston is really bringing the show to a next level.
I think the industry of yachting here is perfect. I mean, the climate's great, the sea is right there. It's a very yachting-friendly place as well. There's lots of marinas and berths, and it's a great place to be a seafaring or a yachting enthusiast. So my feeling about Dubai as a destination is fantastic for people who are into boats.
What makes Dubai Boat Show special is something not that different of why Dubai itself is so special. You would have so many different nationalities living and working in this beautiful place. When it comes to the boat show, it's like a celebration of boating, this beautiful sport, this beautiful leisure time, if you may. And we look at Dubai's boat show as the destination, the place for us really to meet the industry.